Wala na ako space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. Oh, wow, I'm surrounded by 2 mountain talls. By the way, Jesus G. By the way, this is Lord. Hi, Astor! Kamusta? You know what? It's an honor for me. It is a privilege for me to be speaking in front of you, to have interview like this with you. Actually kanina, nai-starstruck talaga ako. Sabi ko parang, there's so many questions I really wanna ask. Pero, hindi ko na nagawa kasi dapat tumulala na ako. Grabe naman yung time, ang daming nangyayari, guys. How did you just make it in just 4 minutes? Kahit sa nakaluminon may nangyayari, ang husay ninyo. Imagine, from visuals to vocals, with amazing dance choreography. You guys did an amazing cover of time. I should say, we should say, diba? Can you say, Astor, 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 Astor? Thank you so much, Astor. So, this time, leader ni, I would like to ask, kamahalan, how's the preparation? Kasi 12 to 12 hanggang dulo. Nailaban natin Diba? I know the struggle. I'm a twinkle myself. So, diba? So, kamusta naman yung time? Bakit naman may pagganong relapse moment?
I think, I believe naging madali po sa amin yung preparation kasi naging inspiration po and motivation po namin yung SB19 kung paano rin po sila naghahanda sa kanilang performances. And yeah, I think nakuha po namin yung mga way po nila kung paano po namin maging masasucceed yung performance po nila.
So what about Charlie? I wanna hear it from Charlie. Charlie, there's so many fans cheering for you. Charlie, kamusta ang naging preparation? Hindi ka naman nahirapan sa pag-adjust sa vocalization?
Naman po. Actually, one of the struggle namin is being the largest people group is to adjust sa mga stages kasi pero hindi namin naisip yun. Like, we really don't mind because seeing this audience, how they support us, parang gusto namin yung ginagawa namin
Another question. Sino ang nag-arrange ng inyong song? Grabe yung pagpapalit-palit, yung shifting from low tone, low voice to the main vocals. Can you name the main vocals?
Siguro pakilala na lang din tayo ng position din.
Sige. Sige
Ano na yan? Hello po. Hello po. Hello guys. Hello 18. And this is Kiel. I'm the center. One of the main dancers at the background. Let's go, Kiel. Go next. Hello po. This is Mr. Miguel. Lead vocal and visual. Hello po. Astor. I'm the lead vocal and magandang hapon po. I'm Katin. I'm the lead vocal and the dancer at the group. Hello po.
Hi, 18.
Sige, Charlie.
Hello po sa inyo. I'm Todd as a sa vocal the main dancer, the vocal, and also the bunso member. Everyone is so super. I'm the main rapper and support for the Hello, 18. I'm the Silas. I'm the main rapper, main dancer, and the visual.
Kumusta yung team? Kumusta yung team? I am the leader, main dancer, and the director.
O 18, nalista niyo ba yung pangalan? Dahil sa to, kasi kanina sa baba, yun ang experience sa baba, anong pangalan nung nakapik naman? Anong pangalan nung nakabing naman? Ano like, hello, napakagulang person na pagpapakilala. Pero I'm so glad and thankful for you for introducing yourself. Ay, ligtas na ako sa pagpapakilala. Pero once again, maraming salamat